Hi everyone. Hello. This is Teacher School. Thank you very much for listening to me. This is Teacher School. Before we start with the lesson today, I am going to ask you a question. How are you? How are you? Excellent. I am fine, thank you too. All right. I am fine, thank you. All right. How are you? Excellent. You need to remember if someone asks you, how are you? You're saying, I am fine. Thank you. All right. Before we start also with the lesson, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Very good. It's sunny. Excellent. It's sunny. Why is it sunny? Because Teacher School is wearing sunglasses. Excellent. I'm not supposed to be wearing them in a house, but since it's sunny, it means if I go out, I will be wearing my sunglasses. Excellent. So the weather, how's the weather like today? The weather is sunny. Very good. Good job. The weather is sunny. Why do we say the weather is sunny? Because I am wearing sunglasses. I am wearing sunglasses. We call these sunglasses. All right. I've taught you that. I'm just recapping. All right. Cool. So last time we spoke, we said A, B, C, and we said A for apple, and we said B for banana, and we said C for cherry. All right. Today we are moving to D, E, F. All right. We're done with A, B, C. Done. We are moving now to D, E, F. So you know now A, B, C, D, E, F, D, E, F. All right. So what are we moving today? What alphabets are we moving to today? Very good. D, E, F, D, E, F, D, E, F, D, E, F, D, E, F. Excellent. We are moving to D, E, F. Today we are moving to D, E, F. All right. We are moving to Right, so today we are moving to D, E, F. D, E, F. All right, so let's start with the D. Take out your paper. All right, this is the paper. Take out your paper and put it like this. So not like this, but like this. Not, but like this. All right. After that, I want to teach you how to draw D. All right, how to draw D. Remember D, E, F. D, E, F. All right. So we're going to start with the D. All right. The D. How do you write? So remember, it's always big D, small d, and then big E, small e, and big F and small f. So we're starting with D first. Big D is going to be like this, right? So you're going to draw a stroke from the top to the, not to the bottom, but just a stroke going down. Are you done with the stroke? Very good, excellent. And then after that, you're going to draw something that goes all the way around to cover this. Are you done? Very good. And then let's go draw something also inside. Excellent. This is big D. All right. So this is big D. The small d. The small d, it's a small letter. Remember, don't forget, if it's small, it always come with a small letter. And then it goes like this. So it's like this, but now it has a longer and it's turned all the way around. And then you can still add this. So this is D, small d, all right? Small d, okay. Big D, small d. D, D. Big D, small d. D. Very good. It's not T, it's not D, it's D, all right? So let's say it's D. All right. Our D is going to be for a door today. D for door. We could say donkey, we could say dog, but let's choose a door. D for door. D for door. D for door. All right, all right, all right. Excellent. D is for a door. All right, now we're going to take a tour today. All right, we're going to take a tour to look at the door. What is a door? You want to see the door? Yay! I'm excited. Do you want to see the door? Very good. Let's go see the door. Let's go see the door. All right, so this is in the office, and in this office, there is a door. This is the door. All right, this is the door. D for door. This is the door, as it says here. Please don't bang the door. All right, so this is the door. What is this? The door. All right, excellent. What is this? This is the door. All right, all right. So now we know what the door is. Now we're going to come to our paper. Remember, this is the paper. We're coming to the paper. Let me check if the camera can capture everything. The camera is capturing everything. All right. So now we are drawing a door. All right. We are drawing a door. Okay. So how do we draw a door? How do we draw a door? Okay. So D for door. Okay. Before we draw a door, this is how you spell the door with the door. So you're going to use a small d. Remember, you're using a small d. D0. Oh, not zero. It's not zero. So that's how you spell a door. We're still going to come to to O, sorry. We're still going to come to O and R. But we already know D because today we've done D. And this is a big D or small d? This is a small d. Excellent. This is the small d. So door, 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 door. All right. Okay. So we're drawing a door. So the door goes from here. We go down. We go down. We go down. And all the way down. Excellent. And then remember the door has a knob. So the door has a small little knob. Okay. Remember the door has a key where the key goes in. Okay. So there's that knob. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And then there's a key where the key goes in. Okay. You could do the door like this. You could do it a little bit heavy. Remember the door has also handle where it attaches itself to the house. So that's the door. All right. So this is the door. All right. Did you draw the door? Excellent. All right. Let's say D. 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 Big D, small d. Door. Excellent. D. 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 Big D, small d. Door. D. 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 Big D, small d. Door. Right. Excellent. D. 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 Big D, small d. Door. Very good. Door. Door. And then this is the door. This is the house's door. All right. Now, remember, it's not only the house that has a door. A car has a door also. The door that you open in a car, we'd still call a door. A fridge has a door. All right. The fridge has a door. Do you want to see the door of the fridge? Actually, you're lucky because there's a fridge here. So we're going to look at the door of the fridge. So remember, it's not only a house that has a door. The fridge has a door. The car has a door. What else that has a door? So a lot of things that have doors. All right, so this is the fridge. The whole thing is the fridge, but this is the door for the fridge. All right, this is the door for the fridge. If someone says close the door of the fridge, it means that you have to close the fridge. All right, so the door of the fridge, it's still called the door. There's no other word. Or a car, if it says don't bang the door of my car, it's still called the door. Well done. Excellent. 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 So that's a door. All right. So we're going to move on to, so now we know A, B, C. A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry, D for for a door. Very good, very good. D for a door. So after D, it's E. All right, what are we going to be saying with E? E for eyes. E for eyes. Well done. Excellent. E for eyes. Okay. All right. Lovely. We're going to be drawing eyes today. Okay. E for eyes. Okay. So E. We're going to start with the small E. Let me get a bigger pair. Different color. Let's get a different color for E. Right. Big E. We're starting with big E. Remember, we start with the big one. We start with big E and we come to small E. Big E, small E. All right. So the big E is drawn like this. So you also draw just a stroke down, not all the way to bottom, but just down. And then after that, you go there and you go there and you go there. Okay, you can decorate, you can make it 3D like this, but you pretty much understand what's happening. Okay, let's make it 3D like this. Okay, so this is big E, and then the small one starts with that, and then it goes like this. So the small one, this is a small E. Okay, big E, small E. 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 E for eyes. All right, so the eyes, they spelled eyes. So eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. All right, well done, well done. All right, so we're going to be drawing eyes. Do you know what are eyes? These are my eyes. One eye, two eyes. One eye, two eyes. One eye, two eyes. You put Z at the end. You put S at the end when there are two or more. 4 eyes, 5 eyes. But one, not eyes, not one eyes. It's one eye. So we always say one eye. All right, so you guys are ready to draw an eye. Excellent, 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 excellent. Okay, so an eye is going to go like, let me just make sure that the camera is showing. Great. So an eye is going to go like this. So you're going to go on top, go down, and then also do the same with this one. Okay. And then let's do the same. Okay, so we're going to go all the way up and drop, and then all the way up and drop. Okay, and then connect. Okay, after that we're going to draw a complete circle inside. It's a pupil of an eye, and then this side we're also going to go a complete circle, and then on a circle we're going to shade it. Let's shade it. Let's put shades. Let's put shades on this eye and just leave the inside part of an eye a little white. Okay, let's also shade this one and put and leave and leave inside part. Okay, and leave inside part. Okay, so this is the eye. Call these eyelashes. I'll put lashes here to see. This must be a lady. She's so beautiful. She has beautiful eyes. Okay, she's beautiful. Okay, excellent. These are eyes. Eyes. E, 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 E. Big E, small E. Big E, small E. Big E, small E. Eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. Big E, small E. E. Big E, small E. E. E for eyes. E for eyes. Well done, well done. So that's E. And then the next one. We move on to the next one. The next one is not an E, but it's F. The next one is not E, but it's F. Big F, small f. All right. F. Very good. Let's say it. F. Excellent. All right. So we're going to start with an F. F for flower, by the way. F is for a flower. Very interesting. All right. F, this is, what do we call this? We call it a flower. 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 Very good. F for flower. F for flower. F for flower. All right, so let's start with the big F. You guys are going to be following me how to write a big F. Are you guys ready? Yay! All right, cool. So the big F it's a stroke down. Don't forget the stroke down. And then after that, we go that. And then lastly, you go this. So this is an F. You could decorate and make it 3D also. To make it 3D also. It looks very nice on 3D. Okay, so this is F. 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 All right, this is a big F. The small f, it's the same thing. All right, look, very interesting. This one is the same thing, except that you only just do this with the small f. You don't make a corner. So it only like this. This is a small f. Okay, and then you do this. This is a small f. All right, small f. So the flower is made of a small f. All right, and how do you spell a flower? You spell a flower with FLOWE. Remember E. All right, E for I. So we've got E now, and then there is an R. So how many alphabets you know here? You know the F because we've spoken about, and we know the E because we already done the E, and we said the small E is like this. So this is flower, 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 flower. All right, let's draw our flower. Okay, so step by step on drawing a flower. Okay, step by step on drawing a flower. The first thing we do is we make something that looks like a cup. Excellent. And then we connect that cup here, and we go up here, we go up, and we go up, and we go down, and then we make a stem. Okay, and we make a stem. We call this a stem. All right, and we make the leaves. We call these leaves. We make the leaves. Okay, we make the leaves. Okay, we make the leaves. Oh, my leaves are not mine. Okay, we make the leaves. We make the leaves. Okay, we make the leaves. We make the leaves. Okay. These are the leaves. This is the stem, and this is the flower or the petals of the flower. Okay. Cool. All right. So what color is our flower? Let's make it orange. So this flower has to be beautiful. The flower is supposed to be beautiful all the time. All right. So let's shade it. 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 Okay. All right. F. Big F, small f. Big F, small f. Say it, please. Big F, small f. 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 Flower. 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 F. Flower. Excellent. 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 All right. So thank you very much for listening. Remember, now we know 6 alphabets. How many alphabets we know? 6 alphabets. Let's count the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. 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 All right, last time we did A, B, C. Today we did D, E, F. Excellent. We read D, E, and F. We did 3 today. D, E, and F. All right. D, E, and F. All right. D, E, and F. And then that makes how many? 6 alphabets. And counting those alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F. So they are 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 alphabets. We know 6 alphabets. All right. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.